Good morning, it's Annelie van Rensburg, and today I'm going to show you what you can do with acrylic inks, some of the techniques and stuff. I had a request for somebody that asked me that I must tell what I'm doing while I'm doing what. So I'm going to try that today. I'm going to use watercolor paper, 300 grams, cold pressed. I'm going to use my bamboo skewer and a brush. I bought these two a while ago, but I haven't used them, so maybe I'm going to try them out. Maybe I'm going to try this, I'm not sure. Then I'm going to use my acrylic inks. The colors that I'm going to use is turquoise, Paynes Grey, antelope brown, flame orange, maybe marine blue and light green, I'm not sure, and 29% rubbing alcohol, and a spray bottle with water. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to doodle. So what I'll tell you as I go along. So please just enjoy this. I'm going to take my Paynes Grey. I'm just going to start here on top of the page. I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to drag some of these colors into the background. Turquoise, just drop it in there. As you can see, I just go with the flow. I don't have anything in mind. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's put a little bit of water first down here. A little bit of the orange. I'm just making organic forms, anything that comes to mind. Maybe I'm going to take the antelope brown again. Let me try this thing, see if it works. I'm not even sure how you do it. Okay, I don't like this, so I'm just going to leave that. I'm going to take my bottle. Spritz a little bit of water. Just want to get it flowing a little bit. You can go lighter with your colors, please. You don't need to go that dark that I usually do. I'm going to take a little bit of that blue. Take it maybe over to that side. You can, on this stage, you can, if you've got an excess here like I do at the moment, you can even use some of those there. I'm going to take a little bit of my rubbing alcohol. I'm going to just touch where I wanted to move the paint a little bit. I'm not going to spray too much with it now because I've got a big I haven't got a big area, so couldn't resist. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the excess that I don't like. Just going to lay in a little bit of water now again and pick up the turquoise. Maybe a little bit of my Paynes Grey now. With this you can just play around. There's no right or wrong. I think the main thing is just to enjoy yourself, you know, and don't overthink it. Don't plan too much because, well, that usually doesn't work for me. Maybe it would work for you, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to drop in a little bit of this. No, I don't know if I must do that. Got second thoughts about the green. Okay, I think I'm going to go with antelope brown now again. Let's do something else there. I'm going to use my spritz bottle again with water, filled with water. Maybe finally, I think I'm going to go with my orange again, flame orange. As I said, don't be scared. If it's just a piece of paper and a little bit of ink, so if you messed it up, you messed it up. It's not that biggie, and you can just throw it away or whatever. Use it for a collage, maybe in the background or something like that. Just make sure to shake your bottles good before you use it, but let it stand for a while, otherwise it can maybe make clumps or something, and if you leave it too long before you use it, it can start making thicken up a little bit, but that's not a problem. I think I'm going to go for that green. Just a pop. Although this is more than a pop now again, but yeah. Is at this time you need to start knowing me. I mean, I always like to go very bright. I don't know why. I try to mute my colors, but it doesn't seem to work for me. I usually do this when I get too tight with my work, just to loosen it up a little bit. Maybe it won't work for you, but try it. It's a lovely exercise. You can actually doodle on this when it's dry with your jelly roll pens. You can paint over it. I forgot I wanted to use this brush. It looks so nice, as if it can draw a long line. I haven't done watercolors. That's the nearest that I've come to watercolors, is experimenting with acrylic inks. But what I like about them, that you can incorporate them with your acrylic, your normal acrylics, and if you put it on a canvas, you don't need to put a frame around it. So that alone is for me a great benefit. I don't like frames and glass. Actually, sorry, glass around it. I don't like glass on the artwork because of the glare and everything, and I mean it makes it heavy. So what you can do is you can use it with your acrylics, or you can do it in between. Or you can do like something like this, and then go over with your acrylic when you're done playing with the inks. But please try it. It's actually such a nice medium, and you get such unexpected surprises. I don't know. I'm gonna do further. I think I'm finished for now. If there's anything that you would like me to show you, remember just to drop in this acrylic, this rubbing alcohol while you've got a lot of water on your surface. Otherwise, it's going to do nothing. Like there, you can see. So it's not going to do much on a dry paint. Now you can just do as much as you like. You don't have to. You can do less. I'm at that stage that I try to do less, but that's not always working out for me. And I think I'm going for overkill now, so I'm going to stop. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything that you want to know or that you want me to show you, please ask in the comments. I like if you comment, so then I know it's working or it's not working. I don't mind to give advice. If I can, I will. I don't know everything, but I'll try. I hope you enjoyed this, and you know a little bit more of acrylic inks and what you can do with it. You can paint with it as well, like in watercolor. You can use it as the inks as in a painting on your canvas. You don't need to do this exactly, but I just wanted to show you what you can do. Remember, you can always put the table salt on top of this wet watery paint, and then it will subtract the water and it will leave a lot of nice textures and stuff in your background. You can use the coarse salt, you can use the table salt if it's a smaller area. There's actually so much that you can do here. You can put cling wrap on top of this and lift it when it's dry. You can put wax paper on. You can do collages. You can collage something in between here. The possibilities is endless. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can see more of my uploads in the coming time, weeks and so on. I love to do this. It keeps me going, and I've got a purpose if I feel I need to show you something or whatever, if you liked it. Thank you. Have a nice day.